Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we're going to be doing Dollar Tree lipstick haul. That's what we're going to be doing today. All these lipsticks and lip pencils that I will be presenting to you, they are Dollar Tree collections. Okay, I got them from Dollar Tree. That's the point. All right, I'm going to be showing you the product at the same time I'm going to do the application. All right, I will try as much as I can not to make this video too long. Okay, the application will be fast forwarded, then when I finish applying it, I will show you all how the color looks like. All right, so if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on notification post so as to get notified every time I upload. And please do not forget to leave me comment in the comment section down and let me know which one is your favorite. All right, this is also from Dollar Tree. It's $1. This is from Sassy and Chic, and that's what I'm going to be using to remove my the lip gloss that I have on. This is from one video to another. You all know how we roll, right? So the first one I'll be swatching is called a Pink Electro, and this is how it is. I'll just go ahead and put it at the back of my hands to show you guys the pigmentation. It's really pigmented. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but it's very pigmented right here. It's like a fuchsia pink. It's very bright here, but I don't know if you can see it like that. But that's the first one. I'll go ahead and take another one. This one is called Don't Be a Prawn, so which I think is going to be my favorite. Go ahead. Ooh la la, look at that, guys. $1. Okay, look at that. It's like, oh my cheese, it's really nice, like very fall kind of, the next one I'll be picking, it's called Sand Nudes. So I'll go ahead and bring that one out. This I think is going to be my least favorite color. I don't know why I chose it, but I just want to give it a try. It says nude. I don't think this is going to work for my skin tone. Yes, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. I don't even like the tone already. Look at that. See, I don't think this is going to work on women of color. Okay, but let's see. That's the one right there. Then the last one is called I got the juice, which is going to be my second favorite, I think. Yes, it's the brighter color of the other one. See, look at that. So these are all the shades right there. So here are the lipsticks, and you all can tell the reason why I picked those pencils to be able to match them. And this is also by Wet n Wild. They are $1. And this is the same collection as they wrote the first gel lip balm. Okay, just like how they wrote on the pencil, the first gel lip liner pencils and crayon. Okay, so these are the first gel lip balm. Okay, and these are different shades. This shade is called Love. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Love with Don't Be Prawn. No, I'm going to use Love with I Got the Juice. Okay, this is how Love look like at the back of my hand. You can barely see it, but it's right there. It feels moisturizing. It might not be perfect. Remember, this is not a lip tutorial. We're just trying to see how the color looks like on my lips, so I don't want to waste a lot of time trying to perfect the look on my lips. So please accept it the way you see it. Like I said, it's not a lip tutorial, so I'm going to come in with Love. So I have love on my lips right now. What I can tell you, and I believe that is going to be for the rest of them, I don't want to repeat this process so as not to prolong the video, okay? It moisturizes, it feels moisturizes. The pigmentation is true to color. Like, it's really good. And it doesn't have any stronger scent, so it feels so good on my lips. It's not dry. Bottom line, for $1, it's a buy. So if you have it, it's worth it. So for $1, it's worth it. If you have Dollar Tree at your neighborhood, go check these collections out. The first gel collection by Wet n Wild, I got them from Dollar Tree, $1. So I'll move on to the next one. So for the next one, I'm going to be combining pink electro pencil with the lipstick that says Shock, 952 Shock. So I'll go ahead and apply this, and I will show you what it looks like. All right. Do you all remember the one that I said is going to be my least favorite? That's the one I have on right now. And the lip balm is called, this one is called Tell. And this is how Tell look like. It's like orangey, but it doesn't apply like orange on your lip. They are lip balm, but they have pigments. That's one thing I figured out about this. This is really amazing. But it's just that this shade doesn't work for me. And the pencil, of course, I applied the pencil. Remember I said something about the pencil not being my least favorite, which is this one is Sand Nudes, okay? And this is how she's looking, okay? So my guess was right. At the beginning I said this one is going to be my favorite, and which is the lip pencil, which is called Don't Be a Prawn, and the lip balm that goes with it, that I applied with it, it's called Rue. All right, see, and this is how Rue look like, and that's what I have on. And that's what I have on. Okay guys, what do you all think? This is my favorite so far. I like it. Okay, I just love the fact that this lip balm and the lip pencil, they moisturizes your lips. Like they glide on easily. I mean, because they are called gel, I think that's the reason why they said the first gel lip liner, the first gel lip balm for $1. It's worth buying, it's worth trying, okay? And that is it guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.